Today's video is a bit of a weird one. Today I'm just going to be doing a video of my last mow on my beautiful lawn. Ah. Alrighty, so as I said at the start of the video, today is the last time I get to mow this lawn of mine, which is a bit of a weird moment. Last time I get to do it. The lawn's coming out on Saturday. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow is the last day this is going to be here with me, which is a little bit sad, but we'll get through it. We'll be right. We'll suck it up. But anyway, so I'm just going to do some cool footage with some different angles of mowing and just have some fun with it. I'll let you guys know what's going on. So it's coming out on Saturday, and then I won't be sowing the lawn for another couple of weeks. So I don't know what I'm going to do for videos for the next couple of weeks. We'll figure something out, but anyway, we'll go from there. But yeah, let's give it a final mow, as you do. Tell you what, I've got a really big weekend ahead of me with pulling out all this turf. I'm helping pull the turf out of his backyard, and I'm putting some soil down, then pulling the turf back out of my backyard, then going to his house and laying it, and blah 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 blah. So it's going to be a big weekend. So I'm not going to put a video of that this weekend because, well, it's on Saturday, and I always upload on Saturday at about 4 o'clock, just so you know when to expect it now. But anyway, so it's going to be a really big weekend, so that's why I'm doing a mowing video today, because I didn't really have any product to put on the lawn, and who doesn't enjoy a mowing video anyway? Especially if you guys are in the States watching this and you guys are still in winter and got snow and stuff still falling. Get excited by some mowing that I'm going to be doing here. And I thought I'd send my lawn off with a nice little last mow. Now, if you're new to this channel and wondering what I'm talking about doing my last mow on this lawn, you're like, what? What are you on about, boy? Who are you? Anyway, so I'll link it up there. It's that side, I swear. It's that side. I'll link up there what I'm doing with my lawn and why I'm getting rid of it. I've got a video where I explain why I'm doing it, and yeah, have a look at that. Don't want to explain too much, but this is my tall fescue lawn. It's coming out in the weekend and I'm going to miss it, but it's also exciting as well with this new little adventure we got going on, which you guys are going to be along on the journey with me. So I am excited, and at the same time I'm also a little bit emotional, but not like really emotional, just a little bit emotional, just sort of wondering why I'm doing it. But you know, it's just for the YouTube views, man. No, not really. It's actually more for the kids. This stuff makes my kids a bit itchy. Makes me a bit itchy. I shouldn't admit that, but it really does. It's just because tall fescue has quite a firm blade on it, and it stabs you in the spots you don't want to stab you. But anyway, so I'll be getting rid of it. It's going to be hard to do, but let's just pay some tribute to this lawn, hey? Now I've been trying to decide if I should stripe it or just not stripe it, but I thought last mow on this lawn, why not stripe it? Because I've only got the striper on there and I can't bother taking it off. But no, I want to get some nice photos for the last time I got the lawn as well. And I'll tell you what as well, while we're here chatting about some stuff, put sunnies on. The lawn has come back really well. If you guys watched last week's video, it's come back really well after that fertiliser and chucking a bit of stimuliser in there. That stimuliser stuff from Plant Doctor really kicked that fertiliser into gear. The next morning, I saw a massive difference in the colour of the lawn. And look at that, it's looking pretty good. There's still some spots that are still, recovering slightly, but that Plant Doctor stimuliser was a really cool product to chuck in with my fertiliser. Worked well. I'm impressed. Alrighty, well, enough chatting and blabbing. Let's get into this mowing. Alrighty, so mowing done. So lawn's coming out in 2 days, remember? So I really enjoyed that mow, and I treasured that mow, and it's just a good mow. How many times can I say mow? Thank you guys for watching that extended mowing video. I enjoy watching mowing videos, so I thought I'd just chuck in some awesome shots and show you guys what it looked like. But I'll tell you what, it took me 2.5 hours to mow the lawn. It normally takes me half an hour. It took me that long though because of all those ridiculous shots. Turn the mower off, start the mower up again, turn the mower off, start it up again, put the camera in a different spot. Anyway, it's worth it. Good little memoir for the lawn. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, here's the wrap up for the last time on this lawn. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Subscribe if you have not already. Heaps of cool content coming up. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and you have a good week. Good week. Cheers, bro. Thanks for the memes. Gonna miss ya. It's good to have you here. You're a top bloke. Cheers.